What's up guys, it's Noyerad back with another video. Today what I'm going to show y'all is how to consolidate y'all's audio in FL Studio 20. I'm not going to waste some more time, let's get into it. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is open up a random instance. Let's do a piano. We're just going to lay down a triad, click in a triad right quick, boom. Now we got our triad, put it here. This is the point that you need to focus on right here. We're gonna highlight this pattern, push Control Alt C. It's now bringing up this window right here. All we need to do is use these settings. You make sure you have these settings or whatever. You can use your own settings. It really doesn't matter. But the main purpose is to not have this split mixer track, and then push start. And then there you go. Now you got an audio file that is now consolidated. Now, let me tell you some things about why audio consolidation is important. So let's say that you have like 4 instances of Omnisphere open. And if you have Omnisphere, you understand how much CPU power it uses, right? Consolidating your audio files allows your CPU to work a lot faster actually than having all of those 4 plugins at one time and just having the sound play straight through the VST. Instead, you can consolidate it and your CPU usage is gonna go down. I could show you guys an example of this. Let's try to overload my computer right quick, not too much. So let's just keep opening up sockers. This is totally crazy. Okay, well, it looks like my CPU can handle a lot of instances of a plugin being open. I probably need a more CPU intensive plugin, but you guys get my point. If you have this many instances of a plugin, it's more than likely gonna cause your laptop to, if not crash, then to lag at least. And you will see that up here in this little CPU load. So right now it's at 25 with all of these, but if your computer didn't have the power to process all of these at the same time, this would be in the red, like, and you would hear all kind of clicks and pops and crazy stuff going on in FL. But if you don't have that problem, then don't even worry about it. So thank you guys for watching this. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned something from this. You know, try to do it in the quickest way possible. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment down in the comment section, you know, comment down below. And yeah, until next time guys, I'll see you later.